If polynomial x cube plus 2x square plus px plus q has a factors x plus 1, x minus 1, then find the value of p and q. X plus 1 is a factor, so we'll put x plus 1 is equal to 0. So it gives x is equal to minus 1. So in place of x, we will put minus 1. This is a factor theorem. Minus 1 square plus 1. So 2 into 1 plus 2. P into minus 1 minus p plus q. Since x plus 1 is a factor, so p minus 1 should be 0. So we'll put the whole expression is equal to 0. 2 minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. We can mention here the reason, since x plus 1 is a factor. That's why p minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we can simplify this one. Let us simplify this one. Minus p plus q is equal to minus 1. So this is the one equation. This we did because of x plus 1 is a factor. Now let us try this one. X minus 1 is a factor. Now x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1. So we'll put here x is 1. Now p1 will be 0 because x minus 1 is a factor. Now we will put this expression is equal to 0. P plus q, I am writing directly 1 plus 2, 3 is equal to 0. And after simplification, p plus q is equal to minus 3. This is the second equation. This is the first and this is the second. Now let us solve these two equations and get the values of p and q. We'll add this equation. Minus p plus p cancel, q and q, 2q, minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 after adding. So q will be, after dividing this, minus 2. Now we can put the value of q in any of the equation. Now we can put the value of q either of the equation and to get the. Now in order to get the value of p, we will put this q. Now in order to get the value of p, we will put the value of this q in either of the equations. Q, in place of q, I am putting minus 2. So 2 will be shifted here. P is equal to minus 1. Minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. So there is value of p and q. This is the answer. I would advise you pause the video and do the practice yourself. The very simple concept of factor theorem. X plus 1 is a factor, so we'll put x is equal to minus 1, get the one equation. Then x minus 1 is a factor, put x is equal to 1, get the another equation, then solve these two equations and the value of p and q.